Hey guys, this is gonna be a little bit of story time. So I want to talk about my journey and what type of experience I have faced in the past for me to be able to be the person I am today. So when I was young, I wanted to become a singer, an actor, a model, a dancer, like a little bit of everything. I wanted to become everything. I want to conquer. I want everything for myself. But then, unfortunately, I wasn't blessed with the privilege to be able to have a freedom of doing whatever you want. So it was a struggle for me to have even have a dream. So, in order to fight for my dream, I took a really wrong step, which I regretted till today. I mean, I shouldn't have taken, but then that experience made me the person I am today. It makes me stronger than ever before. Experience that I was talking about, what I'm trying to explain is about the time just when I was completing my 12th standard. I wanted to be like independent. I just want to earn for myself, or like earn it, or buy a phone, or do something, earn a lot so that you can just support yourself and follow your dream. That's what I was thinking. So um I happened to know about a scam work, which at that time I didn't knew it was a scam. So one of my friend was there, so through that friend I happened to went to that place. So it was mostly a network marketing where you have to, even that friend has to lie to me so that I can go there. So I want one has to make the other person believe that um, on the call that you have, or all your dreams gonna be gonna come true if you come there. Like that, you are told that, oh, you can be anything you want. I was just 17 years old when I took that step, and or when I thought that I was doing the right thing for myself or for my dream. So yeah, anything you want, you just have like to do three months training and stuff like that. So yeah, I believe it. I thought it was true, and I thought I'm gonna be like fulfilling my dreams. I thought I would not have to be struggling with the family, or like issue, or like quarreling every day. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna be away from all of that, or all the family pressure of me, continuing study, or being in the society, being in the village, or anything. I want to get away from all of that. So I thought I was doing the right thing, and I followed my heart, which was wrong. Sometimes, even what you believe, it's it could be wrong. I don't know what to say. So yeah, I went there, and it's not something that I expected. Like it doesn't it's not something that I was expecting. It was flipping. The world was like flipping upside down. So I also have to the moment I reach people, I understand that it was nothing like it wasn't the call, because I didn't ask for proof or anything like that, because I just wholeheartedly believe in my friend. Oh, I was studying together. Why would someone lie to me? Like my parents told me that it's you are making a mistake. Don't go there. Continue your study. Once you're done with the study, you can go out. Like if you want to work, but just complete your study. I thought that I was doing the right thing. So it's just like, but I do need a money from them. Like I do need like 25,000 for me to be there. So like I have to pay like 20 something for me to be able to in that scam company, the network marketing. So yeah, I have to spend a lot of money as well. I mean, my parents do support me for that, even though they don't support it, but they have to. But like they are obliged to give that funds, because I really wanted to go. They thought that, oh, if I wanted, maybe it could be something. So they sent me, but they didn't believe it at all. They're like, oh, you're gonna be regretting. Like just come back, or like they even give me a chance to come back, but I did not go. The moment I reached there, I did not go, because like I don't want to go back, or be with them, because like it's suffocating for me to be there. um because when you are growing up, fighting, quarreling every day and night, so there's no connection, or like relation. There's no bonding, there's no love between. It's very awkward, like to be in a situation, waking up every day to each with it, like looking at each other's, quarreling, fighting, villagers, like all this, the society pressures and stuff like that. So that's why I thought, oh, I should just stay. Let's see if it works or not. So I stayed there mostly I wasted my time. I mean, since I was there was no income, so I also have to lie and get like three people's. I mean, the target was to get three people. I have to lie to three people. I mean, it was a struggle because I have to call every person I know. I have to lie to them. Oh, I'm here. I have a job. I have a work. Do you want to come? Like, I have to keep lying to people, so that I need like three people. So when I get the three people, that three people has to like find another people. So that's how my level is gonna go up. That's how I'm gonna start earning. Yeah, but then I feel like that I was wasting a lot of time there. So at finally, like, at the last moment, I decided to like go back home. It was like a really shameful for me because like I was a failure. Like I was really a failure at that thing. Um, I mean, going back to your parents, going back to your family after talking on the call. Oh, I'm gonna be this. I'm gonna be there. But then you go home with a zero. Like it was like a total shame or like a failure. And but then see that doesn't stop me from still believing because I wanted to become something for myself. I was dreaming a bigger picture for myself. So I thought I was doing the right thing. And I mean, what I'm trying to say is that if one door closes, the other doors open, right? So for me, that door was closed. Like there's nothing that I could see. Like I mean, what I'm if I haven't not explained that the place where I was going, the place where I stay, there are like 10 people in one room. Like you have to share that place. It was a lot of struggle. Like there was the temperature there at the West Bengal was so humid, so hot. Like you have to sleep on the floor. The classes, like the training, was done in the terrace with full of sun. Like and then um, you're sharing 10, 15 people. You're sharing washroom with the landlord. So I mean, it was quite a struggle, I would say. Like, but then what I'm trying to say is that don't give up. Like fight for your dreams. I mean, it is a roller coaster ride for me. I mean, I was a failure, but that failure I could have just like for obey my parents or like, oh, let me just study, complete my study. But then that didn't stop me. Even after I come back, it was like it was a really wait for me to be able to to come back. But then I just thought that I still had a dream. I was like, oh, there could be another option. Maybe I could go for a call center, maybe, or something like that. So that's why I opt for that hotel management, the government training that I always talk about, I'll mention in my interview. So yeah, I took that step, and like from call center to being in this position. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm successful right now, but I'm still trying to be. What I'm just trying to say is that, I mean, believing in yourself. I would say, yeah. I mean, I feel like it's all about the hard work that you put in. Yeah, that's what I would say.